Generation X. We out here with Lil P, from Davy Bronco 105. So basically, I need to ask you a question. What made y'all want to come out here and organize this and come play?
Well, I believe it's very good to get all the teams together and have a good time with your friends.
And what do you work out at on the off season?
I work for my strength at Bommarito, and my speed at Bommarito, and also help my throwing at Premier Athletes.
All right. Ricardo, come in, big dog. And this is Mr. Ricardo Hallman, if y'all don't know. He had received the award from Generation X for the Player of the Year this year. And with that, we're here with Ricardo Hallman. He may need no introduction, Mr. Player of the Year. Got a Generation X award this year, so basically what you doing off season to kind of get better?
I train with my dad to work out.
It's all right. We're back with Ricardo Hallman, man who needs no introduction, Mr. Player of the Year at Generation X, won an award this year for us, but we're not going to talk about that. What are you doing all season, to get better?
I go to Premier Athletes to train with Coach Sly Johnson, and I'm going to start working on Bommarito with my friends, Michael and Pete.
Okay. And so, you play at Davy, your friend Michael plays at PPO. Does that make any difference, or you all go out there and work every week?
We go out there and work every week, but on the field, we enemies, but off we friends. So.
All right, nice talking to you, Ricardo. Come here, Mike. We're back with Ricardo Hallman, man who needs no introduction, Mr. Player of the Year at Generation X, won an award this year for us, but we're not going to talk about that. What are you doing all season, to get better?
I go to Premier Athletes to train with Coach Sly Johnson, and I'm going to start working on Bommarito with my friends, Michael and Pete.
Okay. And so, you play at Davy, your friend Michael plays at PPO. Does that make any difference, or you all go out there and work every week?
We go out there and work every week, but on the field, we enemies, but off we friends. So.
All right, nice talking to you, Ricardo. Come here, Mike.